The story of Saudi Aramco, which reshaped the global energy landscape, begins not with oil wells but with a desperate search for black gold in the harsh Arabian desert. In 1933, the Standard Oil Company of California, later Chevron, signed a concession agreement with the young Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Few imagined the vast reserves beneath the sand. Initial drilling yielded little, but the persistent Americans pressed on, driven by a hunch and perhaps some desperation. By 1938, that hunch paid off richly. Damam Well No. 7, a seemingly ordinary drilling site, roared to life, producing over 1,500 barrels daily. This was no ordinary oil strike, but the discovery of a supergiant oil field, dwarfing anything known before. The world, still recovering from the Great Depression, was on the brink of a transformation powered by this liquid treasure. This moment altered global power dynamics, cementing Saudi Arabia's position. The Arabian-American Oil Company was established as a partnership between Standard Oil and the Saudi government. For decades, Americans managed operations, utilizing their technical expertise. However, Saudi Arabia, increasingly aware of the strategic value of its resources, pushed steadily for greater control. This culminated in the phased acquisition of Aramco. Completed in 1980, the country sought not just royalties but ownership and control of its destiny. Saudi Aramco, now fully nationalized, has evolved from an oil extraction company into a diversified energy giant. It holds the world's largest proven crude oil reserves and operates extensive refining, distribution, and petrochemical businesses. Its scale is immense, managing vast gas reserves, significant renewable energy investments, and impacting the global economy in unprecedented ways. The company continues to fuel our world, both literally and figuratively. Saudi Aramco continues to be one of the world's most influential companies, even after its recent partial public offering. It operates at an almost unimaginable scale, directly impacting geopolitics, global energy markets, and the prices of everyday consumer goods. It's a story of American ingenuity colliding with Saudi Arabia's ambitions, giving rise to a company of unprecedented power, and ultimately the world's largest oil and gas producer.